Hey, you guys, I wanted to pop in today just to let you guys know that I have two options available for you guys to support you in your midterm rental journey. So, if you have not started yet and you still need some help and support around starting a midterm rental, I have one, a online self-study course called Start a Midterm Rental, and you can basically go from A to Z and find out what you need and learn what you need to know for starting your midterm rental. So, starting with location all the way to having your midterm rental set up and ready to go. So, with that, you get, of course, the online course, and you also get access to a private Facebook group. And I am also adding in a bonus of my acquiring a property mastermind. So, for those of you who need extra support around securing a property and locating it and getting that done, that mastermind is there for you. Now, if you are a person who needs a little bit more support and you need my guidance to help you further along, I do have a guided group program. So, the guided group program is a 10-week program where I will go through the online study course and walk through each lesson, teaching it each week. Okay. With that, you also get an additional 1 hour study hall session as a group. So, if you have any questions or need support around anything, we can go over that during our study hall. You get one private one-on-one session with me for support. You also get access to a private Facebook group. And for both packages, if I update anything or if I have some new information, all of that new information will be added to the online course. So you will always have updated information. Now, you will also always have access to the online course, so don't worry about trying to finish it too fast or too slow, whatever it may be. You will always have access to it, okay? All right, so if you are interested in the online course or the guided group program, click the link below and you will get more information about it. And I look forward to working with you guys. All right, hope you have a good day. Bye.